Sa Voyage Bros, nakarating na tayo sa London. Nandito tayo sa St. Pancras railway station. At punta muna tayo sa ating apartment bago magkala at i-explore ang United Kingdom. So, we'll take taxi. Yeah, toilets and undergrounds. Here it is. Oh! Bigat. Pataas kasi. Where are we? Guys. Guys, ito pa yung mga legit na taxi dito sa London. At hindi po yan fake taxi. So, right hand side nga pala siya. Okay. Thank you. Punta kami sa grocery ngayon para bumili muna ng pagkain. Kaysa naman bumili sa kumain na gazapas, diba? Bili muna sa labas so, para mas makatipid. What's up, Voyage Bros? So, pupunta ako ng supermarket. May nakalimutan kaming bilhin. Kasi mag-a-adobo kami ngayon. So, bibili lang ko ng suka. Suka sa London. Suka at repolyo. So, adobo at nilaga. Yan ang magiging ulam namin for the next 2-3 days yata. Kasi ano lang kami dito, for 4 days lang kami. So, ang dalawang bilang. Yung one whole day nasa Stonehenge kami. Outside London. So, yeah. So, ganito lang din ang ginawa namin para makatipid. Labas ka lang para grocery ka, magluto ng sarili kung available yan sa apartment mo. Siyempre pag hotel hindi pwede, so lalabas ka talaga para mas makatipid ka. Pili ka na lang sa labas, luto ka ng kakainin niya. Buti na lang magaling si Ate Yoli magluto. Ako'y tagagayat lang tsaka tagapagsaing. So yun na, mamaya na lang ulit.
Yung may silk.
Okay. Stand on the right, walk on the left.
This is the new London. The original one is in Arizona.
Yeah, it's in Arizona. Number 1 London.
So we need to go left, right?
On that side, yeah. Right.
Toward the
Filipinas. What's up, Voyage Bros? So, rookie mistake. Nandito kami sa London Bridge, not the Tower Bridge. Yeah, that's the Tower Bridge, not the London Bridge. Ayan na ang Tower Bridge, yung napuntahan. Pero, London Bridge pa rin naman to. Is in Arizona. That's the Tower Bridge. Mali ang napunta. Guys, pag pumunta kayo dito, okay, huwag niyo akong gagayain. Mali ang navigation ko. Ayan ang Tower Bridge. Ganda.
Yeah, well, we're lucky.
Yep.
We're lucky. It's sunny in London.
London Bridge is falling down. Kumanta. Ay, ganda ng tore na yun, no? Ay, tore yan. Pero, famous din yan, eh. Ah. So guys, so makikita nyo, nasa background ko yung original na London Tower Bridge. Ngayon, sa harap ko na, yan ang original na London Bridge. So, parang wala lang siya. Ordinary bridge lang siya. Pero, saan talaga dito is yung Tower Bridge. Diba? Against the light nga lang tayo, pero may, okay na rin. Guys, malapit na kami sa London Tower Bridge. Yan na, nagpakita na siya. Konting lakad na lang, makakarating na kami doon. Nakita nyo parang may World War II na barko dito.
You know what they used to do in Tower Hill? That's where they chop off the heads.
Wow! So this is like execution area.
Pick it off it straight ahead. Pick it off it straight.
We're on a field trip. So cute.
See this hill, this Tower Hill?
Yeah, this.
All the head chopping happened right here.
Yeah. So Voyage Bros, kung gusto niyo pumunta sa Tower of London, sa natabi ng Tower Bridge, punta lang kayo dito sa ticketing office. Andyan lang. At yung cost ng ticket is around 33.60 GBP. So medyo mahal siya. Pero no choice, nandito na ako. Minsan lang naman din ito. So go. So ito yung Tower of London. Andito tayo sa Tower Hill na tinatawag. And ito na yung entrance. So just secure your ticket dun sa ticketing office. Andyan lang siya. Ito yung entrance ng mismong Tower of London. Again, it's 3360. Medyo malaking damage. Anyway, we're here. Hey, wow.
The executioner. Bring down his axe, hopefully. Beheading his victim is just the one stroke. So yeah, it's going to get worse than that. Possibly still blinking its twitching head. And he held it aloft for all to see. Turning. Behold! The head of a traitor. Die, all traitors. God save the king. Thou would have gone wild. Me, some jet lag going on out here this morning, isn't there? Wow. God save the king!
Yeah.
Right, yes, right, arm movement 7. Take the thing about that Navy book. Put a bit of effort in. Right, carried it through the streets of London towards London Bridge, which we all know is over there. That Tower Bridge just happens to be in London. So, the Americans didn't think they were buying that when they got that. However, London Bridge in those days was the only bridge over the River Thames.
Let's see.
The decisive blow to the back of the Duke's neck. He didn't manage to sever the head from the body in one stroke.
Oh.
Or two.
Oh.
Or three.
Oh.
Or four.
Oh.
Because honestly, his accuracy on that day.
Royal St. Peter ad Vincola. So, Voyage Bro, dito tayo sa Tower of London. Pasok tayo para makita yung crown ng King. Crown jewels. Punta tayo sa White Tower. Wow. Voyage Bros, andito na tayo sa London Tower Bridge. Napakalapit na natin talaga sa kanya. Woo! So beautiful. Scuba boat. That's the tower. This is the London Tower. That's Uncle. Oh my God. Ganda. Grabe.
Ito kaya kita dyan.
Hmm.
Square. Tapos ilang tayo tao.
Ah, okay.
Dapat na ano kasi maganda. Apat. Tatawin tayo na. Yeah, I was looking for you. So we
You guys want to eat somewhere?
are we gonna go?
This is the Tower Bridge. It's a drawbridge.
Oh my God. This is so cool. Napakaganda.